How to add dependencies in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add dependencies in Wrike. So to do this, kindly watch till the end. The first step to notice that, first thing to notice that tax dependencies allow you to specify relationships between tax, indicating when one tax should begin or end in relation to another. You can create different types of dependencies to model tax relationship, and here is how. So the first step is to sign in into your Rex account, and once you signed in, the next thing is to move to the left side of the screen and then select the space that you'd like to work with. So for me, I'm working with the marketing team space. After selecting it, this is the marketing team space. Now, as you can see this, the next step is to create a cart chart view or add it, add a Gantt chart view. This is because you can only add dependencies on Wrike directly by creating dependencies on the cart chart. So once the cart chart has loaded, you can now continue. But first of all, wait patiently for it to load. So now that it has loaded, you can see the view, you can see everything. So the next step is to move to a tax and then click the dot that appears to the left or the right of the tax bar, and then drag your mouse to the beginning or the end of the tax you want to create a dependency with. Okay, so as you can see here, let's close this. Oh no. Okay, so this is a tax. So to move this, just move this below the tax that you want to create dependency with and leave it there. And then just like that, dependency would be created. Okay. So another, as you can see, the tax has been moved below it, and that other tax now is now dependent on the first tax. And then this dependency is such a way that the first tax must be completed for the second tax, and the second tax must be completed before the third tax, and the third tax must be completed before the last tax. But this is how dependency works, alright? So this is how to add it using the Gantt chart. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and ensure you implement this.